1977. Kaliti is a professional manufacturer engaged in design, development, and production of children's cosmetics. It has an ISO 9001 certification. As a certified factory, all products comply with EN 71 and ASTM International Safety Standards. Kaliti owns its own brand. Yes, they have their own brand, SMU, and their products are exported to worldwide markets such as Europe, US, South America, Australia, etc. There are more in 60 countries and regions. Kaliti has expertise in all kinds of cosmetic toys with exceptional R&D team. They have plenty of fashionable new products launched every year to satisfy a diverse demands of worldwide customers. The factory covers an area with 6,000 square meters with more than 200 employees and 4 workshops. Now we're getting ready to enter the Kaliti workshop where they do the highest, quickest anti-dust area to maintain the quality of the product. They have 2 entry points. One entry point is for all the products to come in to be sanitized, and they have another entry point for the humans. But right now, we're at the entry point for all products that's going to come into the workshop that need to be sanitized and make sure the workshop maintains a duty-free environment. So you can see inside here, these are the products that they bring inside the workshop. But first, again, they have to be sanitized before they enter into the workshop. Okay, we're continuing in the workshop here. This is the back where they take the raw material. We have visited the laboratory where they come up with formulas and the raw material to recreate the cosmetics for the children's products. And this is where they actually take the raw material that's gone through security check and antibacterial inspection and all that. And they come here, they actually mix it to perform the testing process. Okay, in this workshop, this is where they make the, again, children's cosmetics. They have a mold here with different size cosmetic products that they have. And you can see how they're taking different molds, they're taking machines to prepare the cosmetic product for children. Here you can see this is a very highly controlled microbiological control testing center where it's very strict standards are always maintained to make sure that the toys are safe for the children to utilize on the global market. We're now inside Kaliti's laboratory. This is where the magic happens. What type of magic are we talking about? We're talking about the magic that they take to make the baby cosmetic products. They have a lot of raw material and a lot of formulas that the team, this qualified team of experts here, who are highly educated in the field of chemistry and other fields in that area, they take all these products to manufacture the formulas that are suitable and the international standard for children's cosmetics products.